Good morning, my dear kids. How are you all? I hope you all are great. So, my dear kids, today we are going to revise birds' name. As we have done earlier birds' name, today we are going to revise them with their sounds like o, w, l, owl. Today we will learn birds' name. So let's learn bird's name. Revise bird's name. Today is 18. First we will write the date on the top of the notebook. 18 December D E C December. Classwork. We are doing classwork. Now in second line we will write the topic. So our topic is bird's name. BIRDS. Birds name. From third line we will start our work. Write O W L. Owl. 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 Next bird is crow. K R O W. Crow. K R O W. Crow. Then H E N hen. H E N hen. K O K cock. K O K cock. Duck. D A K. Duck. D A K. Duck. Then peacock. P cock. K O K. Peacock. Peacock. O W L owl. K R O W crow. H E N hen. K O K cock. D A K duck. Peacock. P, it's very easy to learn. P, then add cock. Peacock. Okay, children. Now you all will read the bird's name with their sound and write it in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Okay, everyone? If you will read with their sounds, then you can learn easily. Okay? So you have to read with their sounds and learn them. Goodbye, everyone.